In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Supertrend Fakeout in TradingView Pro. We'll walk through this together step by step so that by the end of the video, you'll know exactly where to click and how to get this indicator onto your chart without any confusion. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you're looking at any chart. It can be a stock, a crypto pair, Forex. It doesn't really matter. Once your chart is open, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. On most layouts, this is located along the top toolbar, usually labeled Indicators or Indicators and Strategies. Go ahead and click that. This will open the main Indicators window, which is where you can search for and add any built-in or community script. When the Indicators window pops up, you'll see a search box at the top. This search box is the fastest way to find specific tools, especially when you already know the name of the indicator you want to use. Click directly inside that search box so your cursor is active there and you're ready to type. Now in that search field, type Supertrend Fakeout. Make sure you spell it carefully and give it a second to load the results. TradingView will start showing you matching indicators as you type. You should see one or more results that contain the words Supertrend Fakeout. When you spot the one you want, simply click on it once. As soon as you do, TradingView will automatically add the Supertrend Fakeout indicator to your current chart. You'll notice new lines or signals appear over your price action, depending on how the script is designed. From here, you can customize it just like any other indicator in TradingView. To do that, hover over the indicator name on your chart, then click on the settings icon next to it. Inside the settings window, you can usually adjust inputs such as length, multipliers, colors, or visual styles, depending on what the creator has allowed. Take a moment to tweak these settings to match your trading style and the time frame you're using. If you're unsure, you can always start with the default values and experiment later. If you're not already on a paid plan and you want to unlock more indicators, extra alerts, or additional layout features, I have an affiliate link for TradingView Pro in the description of this video. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you and may give you access to trial benefits or discounts depending on their current promotions. That's all you need to do to add the Supertrend Fakeout indicator in TradingView Pro.